This is the tutorial of Spreadsheet Microsoft Excel, the episode 2. On this video, I will continue my explanations tutorial of Spreadsheet for Microsoft Excel, episode 2. And how to do this Excel spreadsheet tutorial. We will explain many things about the spreadsheet on Excel, and we will continue to learn or to study about the spreadsheet tutorial. So here we go. You need to listen about it, and I want to show you to study or to learn about spreadsheets, so you can check the videos before. Okay, we have names here, and then also the month, about January, February, March. Let's just say that this is a sales data, and okay, we need to fill this. Just for example, Ginny is 35 on January, February 64, and March on 12. And also Ellie data, you need to type again. This is for example, and we have here the data about the sales data, and this is total, so you can add or count the total number for each names or for each from each month. You can add the manual or formula by using if you just type equal to sign, the Google spreadsheet will recommend you to use this data. For example, we will need to text manually, so equal to sign, and just type the value from each data. Wow, the subtotal of your counting will appear automatically before pressing the enter button on your keyboard. It's automatic from Google Spreadsheet to count about your data. How to do about this? Because this is a manual formula, so if you make a change on some of data, the total amount of this counting also will not be changed by Google because it's manual. Okay, well, the second method, we do not use the manual typing, but we will use manual without typing the value, but we need to fill the cells that we want to count. Okay, so if we need some changes on a data, also the results that we count from the formula of counting the cells will also change. And also we can track down here to fill the same formula on the next rows. Okay, this one. So from Ellie total cells will be B6 Z6 plus D6. Okay, I think that if the data is adding or being added by many data, I will say that this can take so much time to add or to count the data. For example, this is from January to December and etc. from many data, so it will take sometimes. So I want to show you how to make it simpler with a new formula here, and I think that we need to use sum. Okay, sum, and open the brackets, and the next step is block the area or the column that we want to fill about it. Okay, it's about the column number. It's a manual sum. Okay, B2 comma C2 and comma D2. It's a sum, and you can say to plug the data here. After you use the sum formula, I think that it will take a short time rather than you manually type one by one. And if we make a change on data, the results also will be changed automatically by the system. Okay, for example, we will add the April month. This is just for example the value of each names from April sales, because the data is combined in one formula, but if the data will be separated. So how to do this? Okay, block the data is from P2 until D2, and then comma April. Okay, this is from April from G2, and then close the brackets and enter. So it means that you want to count data from P2 until D2 and also from G2. Okay, that's how to read the formula. Okay, and then block and enter, and then for the next rows you just need to drag down. Okay, that's how to do this. Okay, I want to delete it. It's just for example. Okay, we've learned about some formula or Microsoft Excel by clicking manually, by add cells, or by blocking the cells, and also to add separated cells and etc. Okay, that's the tutorial also. Okay, the next lesson I want to show you from sum B2 until D2, and then plug again, and then add again, and drag down again. And there are many formulas on Microsoft Excel. Excel spreadsheet from Google Spreadsheet. So there are many formulas that you can use, like average, marks, and then mean, and average, and etc. and other formulas. And I want to show you here how to for example, for instance, you have this table and want to add the rows again, and after you create a table, so there one person that needs to input on our data. Just right click and insert row above or row below. Because we want to add or input the new data, just click the row, add a row above on the bottom of the data after we click it. And also if we need some data again, for example, we had April sales, so just add the column before the total number. Yeah, I just want to add the data here from the 27, 90, 15, and 21, and 68 from April sales. Okay. It depends on you, which is the method that's easier for you. Okay, it's about adding the row and columns. And also I want to give a number on this new column. Just add new columns, by right click and then insert column, and we will add the new data number. We can type one by one to type the number. So, but how about the number until hundreds or thousands? Okay, we can use it automatically. Just type number one, number two, and we will make an outer number, and then it's and block number one until two, and then just drag down, so it will be automatically the outer number from the data that we want. Okay, if you want to make it until 10, just drag down until number 10. If you have many data of thousands or hundreds, so just drag down until the bottom that your data made. Okay. So if you want to make this and to use this method, you need to type with a minimum number or at least two numbers. Okay, and then plug and then drag down to make an automatically auto number without knowing one by one by manually method. And also we can use table. We can create table. This table to create a border on the table. Okay. It's a toolbar about borders. Just click the borders. Now all borders. There are many choices about the borders that you want to add on our data. And in the borders, in horizontal borders, vertical borders, and left border, top border, and you can make a change on the color of the borders until the thickness of the borders. You can set it everything about it. So simple here. I'll choose all borders, so the display will be like this. The appearance of our table will be like this. And border style, it's border style, and the colors, the number of borders. Okay, based on your want to make a border color. Okay, just the red color if you want to make your borders in red color. Don't forget to block the data. Upload the data containing the borders that you want to set up. Okay. Okay, we need to return the data until the black color of the borders. Get from original data or original borders. Okay, that's the episode 2 of Excel spreadsheets tutorial, and I think enough for this second episode. If you have not watched the episode 1 from spreadsheets tutorial 1, just look for or search for the episode 1 on my channel. That's okay, I think enough for today's lesson. See you soon in the next video, and bye bye.